Hey y'all, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a 2020 8314 dual aisle. This trailer was sold here new. I sold it new to the original owners, and they have kept it undercover, so it's in excellent shape. It is a 14-foot short wall, 8 wide, 7'6" tall, 3-horse. So it's an 8314 dual aisle. It has a stainless nose. It is white in color, no graphics. It does have dual hydraulic jacks, 2 propane tanks, the lockable aluminum battery box. It is a super slide, so it does have the fridge in the slide box. And it may be hard to see, there's only one ding on this trailer, on the outside of this trailer. It's on the slide box. It's 2 small dents. It's gonna be super hard to see it in this lighting. There's one here. See, I can't even see the other one hardly. And one right below it. It's like 2 right here. Again, maybe you can kind of see them, maybe, but the lighting, it's kind of making it hard right now. But other than that, that is the only thing on this trailer whatsoever on the outside that I can complain about. It's got a flip-up step at the escape door. Escape door, it's got 3 drop windows with bars, 2 mangers, aluminum wheels. Has the extrusion on the back. That's the ribbed aluminum here on the back. It's got a fold up rear tack, brush box, blanket bar, saddle rack. That all does come out. It's got the load light package with load lights on all 3 sides, rubber bumper. Horse box is in great shape. There's only one issue. We've got one mat, which I'll go show you that in just a minute. We just washed the trailer, so we've got some residual water in here. Fully lined and insulated, roof vents, sliders on the rear. The empty weight of this trailer, it's been weighed, is 10,440. 10,440 is the empty weight. So it does have a lower divider. And this is the mat is torn, just one spot there in the front of the middle horse. So just pointing that out. Got the manger feeders, storage underneath, like I said, lower divider. Other than that, that's the only thing wrong with the horse box. Otherwise, it's like new, guys. No issues on this side of the trailer. Power awning, inside outside speakers. This is probably one of the most spacious, this dual aisle is one of the most spacious LQ layouts that we have. So, stepping up in the LQ, as I said, it's a super slide, so it's got that fridge on the slide box that gives you a huge amount of space. I think, and you'll see the sun is coming through this window right here, so it's putting obviously the sun on the couch. There is not, a lot of people look in my pictures and my video and think that the couch has got a light spot on it. It does not. It's just where the trailer is sitting in the sun. I'm doing this video in the late afternoon. So you got storage completely underneath that couch, storage drawer underneath the fridge, big fridge. My best way to describe this trailer and the floor space here in the middle is you could put a card table in here and 4 chairs. Okay, so if that's an analogy that'll help you to understand the floor space, if you have big dogs, dog beds could go here on the floor, out of your way. If you have kids, you need to put a playpen up, something along that nature. This couch does make a bed. It does have the flip down drink holder. It does have a fireplace. I have that thing on and the heat has gone up like 4 degrees, 5 degrees in here. So it definitely puts out heat. It is electric. It's got a rear kitchen with a convection microwave, 2 stainless sinks, great counter space. I mean, you can put a coffee pot and a crock pot and several other things on that counter. It's a lot of counter space in this particular layout. Two sets of steps up to the bed. If you each want to have, you and your significant other would like to have a separate way to get in and out of the bed, this would be the layout for you. TV is on a swing arm and that does move. The bed area does have a TV in here as well. It does have storage behind those pillows. And this trailer, I would say you could have a little bit of privacy. You could put some tension rods up here and these two openings or on one of these openings and have a little bit of privacy the way this bed area is laid out. So kind of looking back down, you see how big and open. You know, videos and pictures just don't do things justice, and I try to give analogies to help you guys understand the size. Just kind of scanning back up. It has ducted AC, a propane furnace. Obviously has this fireplace, which puts out some heat, which is nice. Heading back to the bathroom. The bathroom is large. It does have a walk-in closet. It does have a sink and vanity. You're going to see some red. It's the sun coming through the skylight above the shower. It does not have red on that. It's just, here, let me just open it and show you. There's no red on that. It's just basically the light coming in this time of day for my video. Pocket slide, bathroom pocket door to the bathroom that slides. Corner shower, and it is the large, it's not the 36, it's a 32 round. It does have a skylight there above. That's what the sun is coming through. Awesome walk-in closet. Two hanging rods as well as a shelf. I'm going to step in the closet and come back out. Again, that red is not an issue. It is the sun coming through. Sink and vanity, walk-through door, and has a nice mirror on the walk-through door. Has a fantastic fan, again, ducted AC and heat. No, heat is not ducted. Ducted AC, a propane furnace. My apologies. Okay, so 8314 dual aisle, 2020 Merhow. This trailer is immaculate. This interior looks like no one has ever stayed in it. Immaculate. Storage there above the slide box. Storage across that whole deck underneath that couch. Storage above the TV. Your kitchen area has got storage below and above. Super nice trailer. Excellent shape, like new, one owner. Can't go wrong with this one. Nice trailer, guys. Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. If you have any other further questions, please reach out. I'm happy to help you guys. My name is Ashley. Y'all have a great day.